Hello, little friend! Welcome to Mommy Art School, and today we are going to draw a melody Easter egg. Okay, so we look for the center of a page. Around here is gonna be the button, and around here is gonna be our bunny ears, alright? Just as a reference. So, we are going to start with a happy face, and we are going to do 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3. We are going to go all the way down and the opposite side and bring them together. After, we are going to draw it with a thicker marker. Now we have another line. And we go around here and we start to close it with the other line. It's okay, we're going with a thicker marker after. Now, let's draw around this area. You calculate here the opposite side. Make a little dot and go down. Whee! Great! So now we are going to do a very big bow for Melody Easter egg. And it's almost like a butterfly. And then we are going to close the top of the egg. Come this way, close it. Great. Now, this is like the center of it. Let's go around here and here. And let's do a bunny ear that comes around these 3 little dots with a little smile downwards. And then go all the way down until they're touching the egg. Yes? And do the same inside. You can leave here maybe the width of your baby finger. And then all the way to the other side. This is the reference point, the height of the other ear, and then go all the way down. Great! And do the same inside the inner ear. Great, everybody! Now we're going to do like a little oval right here. And this is going to be so cute. It's gonna make it look like the Melody is wearing a costume of an egg. Okay, great. And we're gonna do a curve at the top. Great. And inside we're gonna do the cutie eyes. Melody has oval eyes. Now we're going to do a circle inside the egg and fill it in. Now we do a little oval nose. Excellent. So now we have the costume of the Melody, like an egg. Now we're gonna do 3 mountains. Mountains are almost like a triangle, right? So 1, 2, 3 dots. Let's do 1 at a time. So we normally would close it down there. We're gonna leave it open. Let's do it again. And take this like the peak of the mountain. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Great. Now we're gonna do like a big happy face. Great. Now we can do a little heart or the shape that you would like to draw inside. Great. Now we are going to follow this line. You can put 3 of your little fingers and do another happy smile. And we are going to do 3 little mountains. So I do 3 little dots for the tippity top of the mountain And the bottoms of the mountains, other dots. 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Now I'm just gonna follow the same line, the same thickness all around it. Great. And now we can do 1, 2, and 3, 4 circles. Now we are going to go around it with a thicker marker. Great. Ready? Go! So much fun! Take your time. If you need to pause the video, you can. Now let's go around the ears. And how about we go around the bow? And a little bit inside the costume. And the tippity top of the mountains. Great! Now it's time to color. And today we're gonna use these amazing liquidy crayons or jelly crayons, jelly markers. So you can just choose the thinner side by going sideways. You can choose your favorite color to paint the egg. I'm gonna go with pink for the melody. And like I said, this is like using crayons, but it's a lot more softer and more jellier. I truly recommend this one. Let's go inside the little line. And then I would like to use the color yellow. And then let's paint these little mountains yellow. Also for the bottom of the egg, I'll paint it yellow. Great! Now the little nose. Now I'm gonna use purple. So I am going to color here. Just have a lot of fun coloring. Again, you can choose your favorite colors. And the bottom. And always on Mommy's Art School, remember, you can use all your creativity because you are unique and special. So you can choose your own colors. And you can also color if you want to color lines or circles to fill it in. Congratulations on finishing your Melody Easter egg! Looking forward to see you next time! And don't forget to like, subscribe so you never forget another adventure with Mommy's Art School. Ciao, ciao!